Auto-generate subtitles for any video. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to auto-generate subtitles for any video in just a few seconds. No complex tools, no extra effort. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open CapCut. Once it is open, then tap on New Project, then import your video, and drop it on the timeline. Once it is in its timeline, tap on Text, then select Auto Captions. Choose the language of your video and hit Start. CapCut will automatically transcribe your audio and place synced subtitles throughout your video. You can easily edit the text, fix any words, or adjust timing if needed. To customize the look, just tap on the caption layer. Change the font, size, color, or add animation to match your style. This works perfectly for Reels, YouTube Shorts, tutorials, or any type of content where you want to keep viewers engaged without sound. Once you're happy, export the video, and you've got clean, professional subtitles all done in minutes. That's all for the video. Use this trick to add instant subtitles and make your videos more engaging and accessible, totally free. That's how you can auto-generate subtitles for any video. See you in the next one.